इस वीडियो में मैं लाया हूँ 30 रोज़ाना बोले जाने वाले इंग्लिश फ़िक़रात। आइए शुरू करते हैं। तुम क्या करने जा रहे हो? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा। I don't understand anything. I don't understand anything. थोड़ा धीरे चलो ना। Please walk a bit slowly. Please walk a bit slowly. मुझे कुछ कहना है तुमसे। I have something to say. I have something to say. उसने मुझसे कुछ नहीं कहा। He didn't say anything to me. He didn't say anything to me. अब मैं क्या करूं? What should I do now? What should I do now? तुमने मुझसे झूठ क्यों बोला? Why did you lie to me? Why did you lie to me? मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए। I need your help. I need your help. मुझे उससे बात करनी है। I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? ज़रा ध्यान से सुनो मुझे। Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. मुझे उस पर भरोसा नहीं है। I don't trust him. I don't trust him. इस बारे में दोबारा सोचो। Think about it again. Think about it again. मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं रह सकता। I can't live without you. I can't live without you. ये काम बहुत ज़रूरी है। This task is very important. This task is very important. क्या तुम मुझे माफ़ करोगे? Will you forgive me? Will you forgive me? मुझसे अब और सहा नहीं जाता। I can't bear it anymore. I can't bear it anymore. ये बात किसी से मत कहना। Don't tell this to anyone. Don't tell this to anyone. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हमेशा हूँ। I'm always with you. I'm always with you. अब और देर मत करो। Don't delay any further. Don't delay any further. क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज़ हो? Are you upset with me? Are you upset with me? हम कल मिल सकते हैं क्या? Can we meet tomorrow? Can we meet tomorrow? मुझे अब अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone now. Leave me alone now. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ समझने की। I'm trying to understand. I'm trying to understand. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? तुम्हें खुद पर भरोसा रखना चाहिए। You should believe in yourself. You should believe in yourself. तुम बहुत अच्छा बोलती हो। You speak very well. You speak very well. मुझे अब जाना ही होगा। I really have to go now. I really have to go now. अब सब कुछ साफ हो चुका है। Now everything is clear. Now everything is clear. क्या तुम मुझे समझा सकते हो? Can you explain it to me? Can you explain it to me?